Just out for a late night walk tonight. Okay, so I've been living in the current town that I'm living in for like 30 years, and sporadically. And can you listen to what's happening in the background? Crickets. Like, I went out for a walk last night, and I noticed there was crickets chirping out in the distance there. I'm like, isn't that something? Like, I never heard crickets chirping around here until last night. Like, I remember like years ago, the chorus upon chorus of frogs croaking at a deafening volume, but never crickets. Yeah, it's just amazing. It's kind of refreshing, actually, listening to something different around here. Trying to rebuild my walking strength here. It hasn't been too good lately, so I let myself slide big time. So, can you hear that? Yeah, it could be grasshoppers too. I'm not sure. Anyways, I should continue my walk. Right now, I know it's just. Anyway, it's gonna be 32 tomorrow Celsius. I'm gonna go enjoy my walk now.